Solve 4x to the power of 4 minus 24 x cube 31 x square plus 6x minus 8 is equal to 0, given that the sum of the two roots of the equation is 0. Equation is 0. I am considering given equation sum of 4 roots, formula minus b by a. Here a is 4, b is minus 24, minus of minus plus 24 divided by 4 we get 6. Sum of two roots 0, given that in the problem itself. Sum of other two roots is equal to 6. Let the factors corresponding to these roots be of the form x squared here 0x plus p, next x squared minus 6x plus q. I am considering given equation here x to the power of 4 is multiple is 4, here coefficient of x to the power of 4 is 4, that is then 4 of this one 0x 0, so x square plus p, x squared minus 6x plus q. Equating coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x squared is 31, 4x squared into q, 4q, 4p x squared 4p itself, next divide by 4, p plus q is equal to 31 by 4, this equation we called as number 3. Next equating coefficient of x is 6, here 4p into minus 6 x means minus 24p x, therefore minus 24p is equal to 6, so 1s are 4s are p is equal to minus 1 by 4. Here put p is equal to minus 1 by 4 in equation 3, we get minus 1 by 4 plus q is equal to 31 by 4, minus 1 by 4 transform LHS to RHS, minus 1 by 4 becomes plus 1 by 4, so 31 plus 1 32 by 4 means q is equal to 8. Equation 2 becomes therefore x squared, in this particular case p means here minus 1 by 4, x squared minus 6x q means 8. So x equating to 0, x squared minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Next taking x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0, minus 6x can be written as minus 4x minus 2x. From these two terms if we take x common, we get x minus 4, here if we take minus 2 common, x minus 4, so x minus 4 if we take common, so we get x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. Roots are given equation are minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 and 4. Here I am taking a root like this because the rule is x squared alpha plus beta x plus this is the rule. In case of quadratic factor usually we are taking x squared minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta. Here the sum of two roots, this one is sum of two roots is 0, so I am taking 0. Product we assume it as p, again here x squared, sum of other two roots is 6, instead of alpha plus beta I am taking 6, here alpha beta I am taking q, this one represent alpha plus beta 0, here alpha plus beta here 6, product I am taking p, here q, that's why we are expressing here factors to the corresponding roots we are taking like this, that's all. Solve x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 21x square minus 22x plus 40 is equal to 0, whose roots are in AP. I am considering given equation, here degree is 4, that's let the roots be of the form alpha minus 3 beta, alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta, alpha plus 3 beta. In case of cubic equation usually we are taking alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta. Here this one is a biquadratic equation, means a degree is 4, that's then we are taking roots of the form alpha minus 3 beta, alpha minus beta, alpha plus 3 beta, sum of 4 roots minus b by a. So here a is 1, b 2, so minus 2. Sum of first and fourth roots, sum of first and 3 roots means this one is first, fourth, so 2 alpha minus 3 beta cancels. Sum of second and third roots, here beta cancels, we get 2 alpha, both are same, that is an minus 1. Here sum of first and second root minus 1, first and fourth root, sum of second and third root minus 1, add these two, we get 2 roots plus 2 roots we get minus 2, again we get minus 2. So sum of two roots is equal to minus 1. Each sum is equal to minus 1 here. Let the factor corresponding to these roots be of the form x squared, here alpha plus beta means minus 1 x p x squared, again here in this particular case sum of two roots minus 1 x squared minus x plus q. So again I am using this formula alpha plus beta, here sum is minus 1 x, this product I am taking as p, again here minus 1 because E sum is minus 1 minus product is equal to q. Next I am considering given equation is equal to x squared minus x plus p, x squared minus x plus q, equating coefficient of x squared coefficient minus 21, multiply this one, notice here x squared into q, qx squared q. Next minus into minus plus x squared means 1 coefficient, here p x squared means p, here this one transform RHS to LHS, minus 21 minus 1 means minus 22, therefore p plus q is equal to minus 22, equating constant term is 40, here pq, multiply this one, p and q are constant, pq product of constant is pq is equal to 40. So p plus q minus 22, pq minus 40, sum is minus 22, product is 40, therefore by inspection p is equal to minus 2, q is equal to minus 20. Add these two, we get minus 22, multiply this one, 40, we get this one. So x squared minus x p means here minus 2, x squared minus x q means minus 20. I am taking substitution for p and q. So we get this one equating to 0, x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus x can be written as minus 2x plus x if we take x as common. So x of x minus 2, if we take 1 common, x minus 2. If we take x minus 2 common, we get x plus 1. X is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1. Taking x squared minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Minus 20 can be written as minus 5x plus 4x. If we take common x minus 5, if we take 4 common, x minus 5. Again from these two terms, if we take x minus 5 common, x plus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 4. Roots of given equation are, so here minus 1, minus 4, 2 and 5, that is all. Solve x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 16x square minus 22x plus 7 is equal to 0, given that it has a root 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 is a root, imply 2 minus root 3 is also a root, because irrational roots occurs in pairs. So by factors theorem, this can be written as 2 minus of 2 plus 3, x minus 2 minus 3, x minus 2 minus 3, x minus 2 plus root 3. This one is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So x minus 2 whole squared plus into minus minus root 3 whole squared means 3. Expand this one, x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 3, x squared minus 4x plus 1. Divide the given polynomial by x squared minus 4x plus 1. So this one x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube plus x square. So we get 2 plus 4 6x cube, here minus and minus 17x square minus 22. Here I am taking a 6x cube minus 24x square plus 6x. So 6x cube cancels, plus 24 minus 17 7x square. So 22 minus 6 minus 28x plus 7. This one I am shifting here. So if you take 7x square minus 28x plus 7. So we get 0. Therefore the given polynomial can be expressed as x squared minus 4x plus 1 into x squared plus 6x plus 7. This factor equating to 0. So I am using formula x is equal to minus b plus I minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus 6 plus I minus 6 squared means 36, 4a, 4 into 1 into 7. So we get here 36 minus Here minus 36, 28 means we get 8. 8 can be written as 2 root 2 divided by 2 minus 3 plus or minus root 2. So, roots of given equation are 2 plus or minus root 3. Here on the basis of this one I am taking. Next here we get minus 3 plus or minus root 2. Here degree of the equation is 4, therefore there are 4 roots. Next, if minus 4 is a root of the given equation, 2x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 60 is equal to 0. Find the other roots. X is equal to minus 4 is a root of given equation. Therefore, divide the given polynomial by minus 4. 2, 6, 7, 60 by synthetic division. So, first term I am writing as it is, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, 6 minus 8 means minus 2. So, minus 4 into minus 2, 8, 15, minus 4 into 15, 60, we get 0. Therefore, deposit equation is 2x squared minus 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. So, again I am using formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. A is 2, b minus 2, c 15, b plus 2 minus of minus plus 2, b squared 4, 4a, a is 2, c 15. So, we get here 30 into 4, 120, 120 minus 4 means 126, 126 can be written as 9 into 14, we get 3 root 14, 3 root 14 I divided by 4. So, roots of given equation are minus 4 and 2 plus or minus 3 root 14 I divided by 4. That is all. Solve x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 25x square plus 41x plus 66 is equal to 0, given that 3 plus I root 2 is a root of it. 3 plus I root 2 is a root, 3 minus I root 2 is also a root, because complex roots occurs in conjugate pace. Complex roots occurs in pace. Here 3 minus I root 2 is a conjugate of 3 plus I root 2. By factors theorem, x minus of 3 plus I root 2, x minus of 3 minus I root 2. So, x minus 3 I root 2, x minus 3 minus into minus plus here I root 2. So, this one is of the form a minus b into a plus b, x minus 3 whole squared minus into minus plus into minus minus I squared means minus 1 plus root 2 whole squared means 2. So, x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 2. So, x squared minus 6x plus 11. Divide the given polynomial by x squared minus 6x plus 11. So, here first I am taking like this one x squared into x squared, x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 11 x squared, x to the power of 4 gets cancels. Here negative changes to positive, x cube 6x cube means 7x cube. Next again positive changes to negative. So, minus 25 minus 11 minus 36x square, this one I am shifting here 41x. Next here multiple is 7, so we get I am taking 7x cube minus 42x squared plus 77x. Next 7x cube gets cancels, so negative changes to positive, plus 42 minus 36 means 6x square, minus 77, 41 means 6 minus 36x, this one here remaining term, this one I am shifting here. Next plus 6, so 6x square minus 36x 66, here we get 0. Therefore, x square plus 7x plus 6, this one equating to 0, 7x can be written as 6x plus x. So, if we take x common, x of x plus 6, if we take 1 common, x plus 6, again if we take x plus 6 common, x plus 1, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 6. Roots of given equation are 3 plus or minus I root 2 minus 1 and minus 6. So, form a quadratic equation 5 plus root 2. X is equal to 5 plus root 2 is a root. This implies x is equal to 5 minus root 2 is also a root, because irrational roots occurs in pace. So, by factors theorem we have x minus 5 minus root 2 x minus 5 plus root 2. So, this one is of the form a minus b into a plus b, x minus 5 whole square plus into minus minus. So, we get here, if we take bracket, we get like this. This one is of the form a minus b into a plus b form. So, a square minus b square root 2 whole square means 2. Expand this one, x square minus 10x plus 25 minus x square minus 10x plus 23. Therefore, quadratic equation is x square minus 10x plus 23 is equal to 0. This is the result. The multiple root means a root alpha of an equation f of x is equal to 0. A root alpha of an equation f of x is equal to 0 is said to be a multiple root if alpha is a root more than once, if alpha is a root more than 1. A root alpha of an equation f of x is equal to 0 is said to be a multiple root if alpha is a root more than once. If it is repeated 2 times, we say that double root. If it is a root repeated thrice, we say that triple root like this. Next, to solve 4x cubed 12x minus 12x square minus 15x plus minus 4 is equal to 0, given that it has a multiple root. Let f of x is equal to 4x cubed 12x square 15x minus 4. So, f dash of x, so 12x square 24x minus 15. So, by inspection x is equal to minus half I am taking, f dash of minus half, so 12 into 4, 24 into minus half, 50. So, we get 12 is 3 is. So, we get 3 plus 12, 15, 15 minus 15. So, f dash of minus half is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus half is a root of f dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus half, this implies minus half is a double root of f of x is equal to 0. Divide the given dividing f of x by x plus half whole square, because this one is a double root, dividing f of x by x plus half whole square by synthetic division. So, 4 minus 12, 4 minus 12 minus 15, 4. Divide this one, minus of 4 minus 2, 14, we get 7. So, minus 8, 4, we get 0. Next 4 minus 2, we get minus 16, 8. So, here we get 0. Therefore, depressed equation is 4x minus 16 is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 16, 1 za 4 za, x is equal to 4. Therefore, roots of given equation are minus half and 4. Here this one is a cubic equation. So, we get 3 roots. Roots of given equation are minus half and 4. That is all. So, solve 4x cube 20x square minus 23x plus 6 is equal to 0, given that it has a double root. Let f of x is equal to 4x cube 20x square, 23x plus 6. So f dash of x 12x square, 40x minus 23. By inspection, x is equal to half. So f dash of half is equal to 12 into 1 by 4, 40 into 1 by 2, so 23. 1 is 3 is 20. So f dash of half is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to half is a root of f dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to half is a double root of f of x is equal to 0. If it is single root in f dash of x, means that one is double root in f of x. Therefore, dividing f of x by x minus half whole square, because x is equal to half is a double root, because x is equal to half means factor becomes x minus half. This one is a double root, that is an x minus half whole square. If it is a triple root, I am taking x minus half whole cube. We get by synthetic division, so 4, 20, 23, 6. So we get half. First term write down as it is 2, 22 means 11. So we get minus 6. Again divide 2, 24, 12. So we get 0. Depressed equation is 4x plus 24 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 24, 1s are 6, x is equal to minus 6. Therefore, roots of given equation are half minus 6, because x is equal to half is a double root of f of x is equal to 0, half minus 6. This one is a cubic equation. So, degree is 3, we get 3 roots, that is all. X to the power 4 minus sin x square plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0, given that it has a multiple root. X to the power 4 9x square 4x plus 12. So, here 4x cube 18x plus 4. X is equal to 2. So, f dash of 2 4 into 8, 18 into 2 plus 4. So, f dash of 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is a root of f dash of x is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 is a double root of f of x is equal to 0. Next, dividing f of x by x minus 2 whole square, because this one is a double root. X is equal to 2 means x factor becomes x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, x minus 2 whole square. So, by synthetic division 1 x square term is missing, 0 minus sin 4 12. So, 2 we get to 4 minus 5 minus 10 minus 6. So, 12 we get 0. 2 4 8 3 6 0. Therefore, depressed equation x square 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square 1x square 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, x square 4x can be written as 3x plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, from this two term, if you take common x, here I am taking 1 as common. So, from these two term x plus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, roots of given equation are minus 1, here double root, 2 to minus 1, minus 3 to 2, because x is equal to 2 is a double root of f of x is equal to 0. So, here we get minus 1, minus 3, 2, 2. Here we get 4 roots, because here degree is 4. So, we get solve 2x cube minus 7x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0, given that it has a multiple root. Let f of x 2x cube 7x square 4x plus 4. So, f dash of x 6x square 14x 4 by inspection x is equal to 2, f dash of 2 6 into 4 14 into 2 4 28 28, it cancels 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is a root of f dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is a double root of f of x is equal to 0. Dividing f of x by x minus 2 whole square. So, here 2 minus 7 4 4. If you take x or 2, so 4 minus 3 minus 6 minus 2 minus 4 0. Again divide 2 4 1 2 0. So, depressed equation is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, you have 2x plus 1. So, x is equal to minus of. Therefore, roots of given equation are minus half to 2, because x is equal to 2 is a double root. This one is a cubic equation. Therefore, there are 3 roots. That is all. Solve x to the power 4 minus 11x cube plus 44x square minus 76x plus 48 is equal to 0, given that it has a multiple root. So, x to the power 4 11x cube 44x square 76x 48. So, 4x cube 33x square 88x 76 by inspection x is equal to 2, 4 into 8, 33 into 4, 88 into 2, 76. So, 32, 12, 132, 16, 1, 176. So, we get 208 minus 208, 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is a root of f of x is equal to f dash of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 is a double root of f of x is equal to 0. Therefore, dividing f of x by x minus 2 whole square. 1 minus 11 44 76 48. 2 first term as it write down as it is 2 9 18 minus 18. So, we get 6 26 52 minus 24 minus 48 0. again divide 1 minus 7, 14, 12, 24. So, depressed equation is 1x squared 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. 1x squared minus 7x plus 12 is equal to, I am dividing twice because here this one is a double root. If it is double root, we have to divide 2 times. If it is triple root, divide 3 times. So, x squared 7x can be written as minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. So, here from these two terms, if you take common x, here 3, so we get x minus 4. So, x minus 4 of x minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4. Therefore, roots of given equation are 2 to 3, 4. 2 to 3, 4. Here degree is 4, we get 4 roots. X cube 10x squared 7x. So, differentiate 3x squared 20x 7. By inspection, x is equal to 7. So, 3 into 49. So, 147 we get 0. Therefore, x is equal to 7 is a root of f dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is a 7 is a double root of f of x is equal to 0. Dividing f of x by x minus 7 whole square. One minus 10 multiple 1 minus 10 minus 7 196. First term write down as it is 1 into 7 7 minus 21 minus 28 we get 196 0. Next 1 so 4 28 0. So depressed equation is x plus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4. Therefore, roots of given equation are minus 4, 7, 7. Minus 4, 7, 7. Because x is equal to 7 is a double root. This one is a cubic equation, we get 3 roots. Next, solve 16x to the power of 4 minus 24x squared 16x minus 3. Differentiate 64x cube 48x plus 16. I am taking 16 common. So, 4x cube 3x plus 1. So, by inspection x is equal to minus half. So, you have dash of half. So, 4 into minus 1 by 8, 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So, 1s are 2s are. We get with this particular case minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. In this particular case, if we take minus in common, we get this one is minus 16. So here we get 64x cube minus 48x plus 16. So we get 3 by 2. This one is minus 16. Sorry. We get like this. So 3 by 2. So 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus half is a root of f of x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus half is a root of f dash of x is equal to 0. Here 16, 0, 16, 0, minus 24, 16, 0, 24, minus 16, minus 3. So minus half you take like this, 16 means minus 8. If we take plus half, we get 1 minute. 3 by 2. If we take plus half, we get plus half, we get like this, 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So here we get 0. So this one is a half, x is equal to half is a root of f of x is equal to 0, x is equal to half is a double root of f dash of x is equal to 0. We get 16, 0, minus 24, 16, minus 3. So here we get 8. So 4 minus 20, we get minus 10, 6, 3, 0. Okay. So 16, 4, sorry, 8, 16, 8, half of this one, minus 12, 0. Again divide 8, 24. So we get 12, 0. Therefore, differential equation is 16x plus 24 is equal to 0 minus 24, 2 is 3 is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Here I am dividing 3 times. So x is equal to half here. This one is a double root of f of x is equal to 0. This one is a triple root of x is equal to half is a double root of f dash of x is equal to 0. X is equal to half is a triple root of f of x is equal to 0. I am dividing 3 times. Therefore, roots of given equation are half, half, half minus 3 by 2. So we get this is the correct equation, 16x to the power of 4 minus 24x squared, 16x minus 3. So differentiate this one, 48, 16. So we get x is equal to half. If we take like this, we get half minus 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 0. X is equal to half is a double root of f dash of x is equal to 0. So x is equal to half is a triple root of f of x is equal to 0, because here this expression divides 3 times. That's if we take double root, here we get triple root. So differential equation is 16x plus 24 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. That's if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube plus 5x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Given equation x cube plus 5x square plus 2x plus 3 is 0. A is 1, B 5, C 2. Here sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma, sigma alpha minus b by a. So b is 5, a is 1 minus 5. Here product of roots sigma alpha beta is equal to, in this particular case, so c by a, c is 2, a is 1, 2. Sigma alpha squared is equal to sigma alpha whole squared minus 2 sigma alpha beta. Sigma alpha is nothing but minus 5 squared means 25. So sigma alpha beta means 2. So 25 minus 4, 21. Here sigma alpha beta means C by A. This one is sum of roots minus B by A. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube plus qx plus r is equal to 0, find sigma alpha square. X cube here 0 x square plus qx plus r, x square term is missing, a is 1, b 0, c q. Sigma alpha means minus b by a, sum of roots, b is 0, so 0. Sigma alpha beta means c by a, q by 1. Sigma alpha squared formula, sigma alpha squared minus here 2 sigma alpha beta, here 0, this one is minus 2, the c by a means sigma alpha beta means q minus 2q, that's all.